Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change default location of software installation in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Expand HKey local machine. Expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click current version. Open program file dir string. Change any drive. Click OK. Open program files dir x86 string. Change any drive. Click OK. Close and exit registry editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.